morning. Today is August 5th, 2024. I have two guys from Japan. They are students from one of the university in Tokyo. They study about international relation, and then they come to Indonesia for studying about culture of Indonesia, Indonesian language, and then after Jakarta a few days, they will go to Solo to continue their studying. And now one of them already arrived. The other one will be arriving nighttime at 6 o'clock. Okay, we meet him. His name is Kodai. Okay, Kodai. Welcome to Jakarta.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Japan.
He's Japanese people. His name Kodai, and I will be his foster parents, and he will be my stepson. There are two people. One of them arrived now, and the other one will be coming at night time. Okay, Kodai, do you have any words to say?
Enjoy Jakarta.
Enjoy Jakarta.
Thank you.
but I cannot speak Indonesian. I cannot speak Japanese. Okay.
Yes. I don't speak English. I don't know a little different.
Anyway, welcome to Jakarta.
Yes,
Let's go to the car, and
yes.
then we go back to our house.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Now we have arrived at my house. Just a little bit Japanese. Watashi no ie ni yokosa.
Okay, thank you.
Ichikata. That's the meaning is welcome to my house. Okay. Ohayo. Good morning. Now we are preparing to go to somewhere. There are two places. The first one, we will go to the beautiful miniature of the Indonesian garden, and after that we will go to a monument of Indonesia. The top of the monument we have, it has a gold, so very big gold. So what about you? And you can speak in Japanese.
Okay. 今から僕たちはインドネシアの美しい庭に行ってきます。
And you?
今から僕たちはインドネシアの記念碑に行きます。
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm so happy.
Yes.
So we will go with our family, with my youngest son, with my wife, and also with my youngest son too, from Japan.
Yes.
Okay? Now we will go to that places.
Okay.
Bye bye.
See you. 僕の名前はハルキです。
僕の名前は広大です。僕たちは日本の東京から来ました。
私たちは今からホストファミリーにインドネシアの美しい庭とインドネシアの記念モニュメント記念碑に連れて行ってもらいます。See you.
Okay. 私の恋は南の風に乗って走るわ。青い風切って走れあの島へ。 Okay. Thank you so much.
So bad.
Thank you so much. I have five great music. Great.
君から見た僕はきっとただの友達の友達、だから知人日に向けられた笑顔があれならもう恐ろしい人だ。君を忘れさせる黒魔術は知らないし、君をなんだっけちょっと待って、OK、サビフレーズ。会いたいんだ今すぐその角から飛び出してきてくれないか。夏の魔物に連れ去られ僕のもとへ。君が他の誰を気になっていたって偶然と夏の魔法とやらの力で僕のものに なるわけないか。Okay, finish.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey.
Oh, now we are arriving at Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. In English, we can say the small or miniature garden of Indonesian miniature. And this area or this place is very popular, especially for foreigners who wants to come to Indonesia. They don't have to go to each part of Indonesia, each city of Indonesia. You can see there is TMII, means Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. We have 34 provinces here, and then we can take a look one of the province in Indonesia. We don't have to go to that city, just visit this place only. Okay, take a look inside.
I know.
Thai no Borobudurみたい。Thai no Borobudur.
Not Borobudur.
Yeah, I know. But I like.
Only museum.
Hai teman jelajah.
Silo lagi. Kodai and Haruki. Here.
Jadi nanti aku ngambil bener fotonya kamera. Tidak pakai kamera.
Ini masih bikin video ini.
Kamera.
Dengan tutup jendela di pusat informasi. Terima kasih dan salam.
Jangan terlalu jauh dong. Atau kurang jauh. Udah cukup? Ready? Okay. You can see on the background, they have it has a statue, big statue, but actually the statue itself is very high, very tall. This is one of the statue of Indonesian. So what do you think?
This?
In Japanese, you can say in Japanese.
インドネシアの伝統的な建物で高さも結構ありますし、建てられたのがだいぶ昔だったと思うので、もうなかなか感動する建物だなとは思います。
Okay, we can take a look other side, other places.
Selamat datang di Taman Mini Indonesia Indah.
まだみんな始めたばっかなので、もう少しいろいろ見てみたいなと思います。Terima kasih. Oke, kita lihat tempat-tempat lain.
Sumatera Selatan sebelah kiri.
Bali misalnya, kita lihat ke sana.
Sumatera Aspek House. Icon jembatan Ampera.
Sumatera tuh akan
Yang dibangun di atas tiang setinggi 1,5 meter sampai 2 meter. Rumah Gedang adalah rumah untuk bangsawan.
Menara Saujana sebelah kanan. Layar pandang di depan Danau Arsipelago Indonesia.
Teman jajah akan melihat anjungan Sumatera Selatan yang memiliki makanan khas daerah.
Peta Indonesia di depan. Danau Arsipelago Indonesia.
Tradisional
Tepat pertunjukan air mancur. Untuk pukul 1, pukul 4 kita menari dan pukul 18.30 kita
wisata tersebut adalah lampir. Lalu di sebelah kanan teman jajah terdapat Menara Saujana yang memiliki 6 lantai untuk
Anjungan Riau dan Sumatera Barat di depan sebelah kiri.
Danau Arsipelago
Kita muter dulu atau kita
merupakan miniatur
sekarang?
kepulauan
Terserah kamu
Indonesia,
aja.
di mana setiap harinya
Terbaiknya Pak, biasanya orang bukan dulu atau
air mancur
Biasanya ada yang langsung, ada yang kita dulu. Monggo silakan dulu. Anjungannya udah dibuka sih. Anjungan juga udah dibuka.
Berhenti aja lu dulu lah, berhenti aja lah.
kita berhenti di sini Pak?
Itu bisa dari ini ada lagi kita ada
My country, Sumatera Barat. Yes.
kita menari pada siang hari yang menampilkan
Saya
air
terus
mancur
ini
menari
Sumatera,
iringan budaya selama pertunjukan. Sekarang di sebelah kiri
Terima
depan
kasih.
saja
Ya,
dengan Sumatera Barat
Ya silakan
menampilkan keluarga
Sampai depan nggak?
Sampai ke belakang dulu, ke aman dulu.
Sumatera Barat. Tapi kan lewat aja Bu. Sumatera Barat.
Okay, now we are arriving at province of Sumatera Barat. Sumatera Barat we call Padang. And this is the traditional of the house from west of Sumatra. Every provinces they have different of kind of house.
Ikutin aja Ki sambil ngomong apa? Ceritanya this is a house traditional Sumatera Barat, and then 4 ladies like this costume. Costume for wedding. For wedding. Yes, like this. Me wedding like this.
Oh, you?
Yeah. My son wedding like this.
Yay. Okay. Good.
Lagi ada lagi kan? Ya berapa menit?
To go every provinces, we have to use this small car. It used to be we can use our own car, but now we cannot bring our own car. We use their car, something like this.
Kalau dulu mobil pribadi boleh masuk ya Pak?
Iya.
Sekarang
2019 pun terakhir itu.
oh
Setelah
COVID ya?
revitalisasi, iya COVID.
Tapi boleh masuk kalau pak,
Dulu masuk.
boleh pakai mobil listrik boleh ya Pak ya?
Kalau mobil listrik boleh ya Pak? Mobil listrik boleh.
Oh kalau kita punya mobil listrik boleh?
Boleh.
Oh harusnya bawa mobil listrik ya?
Mobil
Ambil dulu di toko.
boleh.
Ya gitu. Kita beri.
Ya tidak.
Gitu.
Bunda, minumnya yang dingin silakan kristalin teh gelas. Yogurt tamani, susu tenggonya juga ada.
Malah
bingung.
dan dari opor malah.
Okay, friends. Now we are at Papua Province. Province of Papua lies in east of Indonesia, and Papua is very far from Jakarta. It takes around 7 hours from Jakarta to Papua by plane. And Papua itself, they have many cities, many languages, more than 100 or 200 languages in Papua itself. Because Papua is so wide, but the people, you can see the people mostly like that. And they have traditional dancing. Every cities in Papua, they have their own languages and their own culture itself. You can see like the birds is very beautiful. And one of the most popular name of the bird is Cendrawasih. Cendrawasih is very beautiful birds. Okay, we can take a look inside. And okay, Haruki, what do you think about this province? This province is very far from Jakarta.
Maybe 7 hours.
Yeah, maybe between 6.5 hours until 7 hours from Jakarta direct flight to Jayapura. Any comments from you? Or you can see inside. You want to see inside?
Yeah, in Japanese?
Yeah, in Japanese.
This is like this. このような石もとても面白くて、何よりここジャカルタから7時間ぐらいかかるのに、ジャカルタで見ることが体験できるっていうことが本当すごいいいことかなとも思います。あとはそうですね、まずこの家なのかな、これちょっとまだ分からない。家がやっぱとても天井が高いなとすごく思いますね。あと衣装とかも服とかもとても面白い形をしていて、とても興味深いなと思います。
Okay, come inside. One thing like this one. Okay. This one names Koteka. You know Koteka means, and what is the purpose of Koteka? You can see like this. We call it Koteka.
Oh, it's good. It's very interesting.
Take a picture. Mom, take a picture, Mom. Where do you come from?
Papua.
Papua.
Yeah.
What city in Papua? Merauke. Merauke.
Dari suku Asmat.
Suku Asmat.
Yeah.
Okay. Show me the dancing of suku Asmat.
Ya, suku Asmat. Oke. Papua itu banyak suku. Ada 250 suku.
Yeah.
Joget dance beda-beda.
Oh, different dancing.
Yes.
Every village, every city has different dancing.
Ini pakaian adat beda-beda juga.
Oh, okay. They have traditional custom.
Custom Papua.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
Terima kasih.
僕は今インドネシアのジャカルタにあるタマミニ公園という綺麗な公園に来ております。この公園はインドネシアの各地の、伝統的な家とか、衣装とか、文化とか楽器っていうものをいろいろ紹介してくれている、場所です。僕はさっき言ったパプアのものがパプアの、家とか衣装がとてもお気に入りで、パプアの人たちがつける衣装、身につける衣装がなんかとても面白くて僕は好きでした。はい、僕からは以上です。See you. OK。こうだい。
はい、日本。OK。
なんか言う。
This beauty hot park.
あ、じゃあ日本語でいい。
OK 美しい公園です。もうとてもhot。暑いです、とても。Excuse me, please watch. ジャカルタにもロープウェイがあります。Thank you. 続編をお楽しみに。
Okay. Finish it.
Now we have to leave. We have finished watching or visiting to a few of Indonesian provinces, and now we are going to some other place. Maybe we are going to Monas, Monument of Nasional. Okay, see you over there. Present, we are at old city of Indonesia in Jakarta. All here is about jail or office of government before in Holland era at that time. So here names is kerak telur. Kerak telur is a traditional food of Jakarta. We call it kerak telur. It's made of rice and also duck egg, or maybe we can use chicken egg. And this is very, very nice. But unfortunately, he has already finished cook. Okay, so see you next time. Bye-bye. Yes, guys, we are now at Monas. Monas means Monument of Nasional. It made of 1961, and the top of the Monas, it has a gold. Actually, the inside is copper, but covered by gold. The total of the gold itself around 50 kilograms. And it made of, I told you, 1961. The height is about 132 meters height. And then, so, tell us about Japan. Japan is
Monas.
Yeah.
Monas はインドネシアの独立記念塔で、一番上は本物の金、ゴールドを使っている。僕は写真とかでは何回も何十回も見たことがあるんですけど、実物で見ると全然迫力が違くてめちゃくちゃ驚いていますね。本当に立派な建物ですね。はい。
So welcome to Jakarta, and don't forget to visit Monas. Okay?
Yes.
Just take a look Monas.
Yes.
Bye bye. Now we are at the bottom of the monument. We are on the ground floor or the basement. We are waiting for queue up after 50% on the line finished, so we can proceed to the lift, because one lift maximum only 8%, and then maximum upstairs 50%. Upstairs we can stay on the top maybe around 5 minutes only, so we cannot stay more than 5 minutes. It must be boring, because we just see the outside of Jakarta, and there is nothing we can see, only outside Jakarta from the top of the monument. That's it. Wait for queue up. Our queue up is ready, so we go upstairs. On the top of the Monas right now. Just take it.
Hai, Jakarta.
The wind so strong. Okay, we are at Gunung Mas, Paralayang Puncak. This place, special place near Jakarta, who wants to play Paralayang, and then from here until land, it takes around how many minutes? 20 minutes? Around 20 until 30 minutes. Quite nice. But the weather now is good, a little bit hazy, but no wind condition. And then Haruki and Kodai, this is the first time you play like this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You can say it. You can say it in Japan.
Goodbye. Okay.
Say to camera. Say to camera.
Okay. 行ってきます。Okay.
Yes, 行ってきます。
Okay.
Number one hit. Really?
Jackie juga mau main. Jackie also wants to play Paralayang.
Saya juga.
Okay.
Now they are preparing to play.
Where should I? Oh, it's good. Thank you.
Smartphone.
Yes, I have a smartphone. Okay.
Maaf, aduh jangan ini Pak. Tali-tali. Pak.
Good luck.
Di depan aja mending.
Oke, yuk. Come here.
Hey, Kodai.
Yes. Okay. You? Okay. This camera. Oh, camera is smart.
Oke, you hold.
Okay.
Kodai is starting to fly now.
Okay. Okay. Walking and running. Okay. Okay. Hi guys.
Jackie and also Haruki is ready now. Hi, start flying now. Ha! Wow, very nice. Wow!
Aku bawa aja kali. Hah? Oke.
Kodai, dadah.
Mau pakai handphone silakan.
Aku pakai kamera aja.
Pakai kamera.
Iya. Berdoalah tidak terjadi apa-apa.
Enggak, bismillah.
Bismillah. Itu
Kalungin.
ambil si Haruki.
Haruki.
Oke.
Okay, no problem. I'm so fun.
So fun.
Yes.
Yes, good.
You hold.
Okay, yeah.
Good.
Oh, this here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go! Wow, how nice is it? Oh!
Wah. Oke. Hey!
Oke, siap ya, jalan dulu ya.
Langsung.
Oke, 1, 2, 3 jalan.
Nih, weh.
Oke, lari. Lari. Lari.
Hey! 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 Damn!
Well, good morning guys. Today is the last day for them to stay in Jakarta. Now we are going to the airport. They scheduled to Solo first, and a few days after Solo, he will be back to Japan. Now we are going to the airport. Okay, see you at the airport. Bye bye. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Ah, good. Good.
Good.
Good today.
Arigato. Okay.
Dan biset, oke?
Itu satu lagi. Ini punya kita, oke?
Udah, cari parkir. Oke.
Exactly.
Come on.
Okay.
Ambil dulu nih, ambil.
Bye-bye.
Friend of Mrs. Mia.
Oh. Really?
Mrs. Mia and Bunda Lucia arrange your schedule to come here to stay in my house. She did it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Video.
Thank you so much.
Ito to. Foto.
Yes, I want to take you. Zaki.
Selamat jalan ke Solo ya.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
She is Mrs. Lucia, and Mrs. Lucia arranged with Mrs. Mia for the students of Daito Bunka University to come to Indonesia, and she arranged to stay in my house. So we have to thanks to Mrs. Lucia. I will try to check it first. If we have time, we'll go back here.
Okay.
And then my wife is parking the car, and then after that, I will introduce you to my wife. Okay. Come on. Saya coba cepat-cepat check-in.
Bye bye.
You here, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye here.
Bye-bye.
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 Jadi nanti kenalin ke Mami ya, sama Bunda ya.
Oke.
Udah kenal kan kemarin. So he's missing. Yeah. They are missing each other. He's crying. We miss you. Someday you have to come back to Jakarta again, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for this week.
Yeah.
This past week, and I will come back next February.
Yes. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you. Matane.
They are checking at the airport of Halim Perdana Kusuma, going to Solo.